गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ॲटम पाहिलं होतं. इन केस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ॲटम वी नो दॅट 3 फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स आर प्रेझेंट. कोणते कोणते 3 फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल आहेत? फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन्स अँड न्यूट्रॉन्स. आज आपण पाहणार आहे डेफिनेशन्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन अँड न्यूट्रॉन. ओके, पहा हियर in structure of atom, again we can write here structure of atom. simply structure draw करून घेऊ आपण. centrally situated nucleus. nucleus consists of proton p positive, okay, and neutron, that is n raised to power 0, that is neutron. around this nucleus electrons are revolved into the various orbitals. This is first orbital, suppose this is second orbital. Here presence of electron, here presence of electron, here electron. Okay, so in this way electrons are present. Okay, electrons are present on the orbital and they are revolved around the nucleus. Okay, so first we will see what is proton. First, proton. Proton is written as P positive. Okay, itself says that it is what? Positively charged fundamental particle. So what is the definition of proton? Yes, the positively charged okay, the positively charged fundamental particle the positively charged fundamental particle present inside the nucleus. Okay, where this proton is present? Inside the nucleus. Present inside the nucleus is known as protons. Okay, is known as protons. The positively charged fundamental particle present inside the nucleus is known as proton. It is represented as P positive. Okay, so this is known as what? Proton. Second definition, it is of electron. Second definition आपण पाहणार आहे electrons. Electron, so it is written as E and this minus sign. So itself says that it is what? Negatively charged fundamental particle. So what is the definition of electron? Usually proton ची definition first. Second definition, it is of electron. What is the definition of electron? The negatively charged fundamental particles, the negatively charged fundamental particle which present in the orbital around the nucleus. Around the nucleus is known as काय म्हणणार त्याला आपण, इज नोन ॲज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Is known as electrons. Okay, so this is proton, this one is electron. Now third definition, electron is represented by e raised to power negative charge. Okay, so it is called as electron. Proton is represented by p raised to power positive charge. It is known as what, proton. And neutron, neutron is present inside the nucleus. It is present in the nuclear part. Okay, proton and neutron present in nuclear part, and electron it is present in the extra nuclear part. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ॲटम मध्ये दोन पार्ट असतात. हा सेंट्रल पार्ट जो आहे त्याला म्हणणार आपण न्यूक्लियर पार्ट, आणि हा ऍडजस्टंट जो पार्ट दिलेला आहे एक्स्ट्रा, दॅट इज नोन ॲज एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर पार्ट. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर पार्ट, म्हणजे न्यूक्लियस सोडून. ओके, सो दिस इज प्रोटॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन. तिसरी डेफिनेशन आहे, थर्ड डेफिनेशन, न्यूट्रॉन. Neutron, it is neutral, n raised to power 0. So it is the neutral fundamental particle present inside the nucleus of an atom is known as what, neutrons. Each and every proton, electron, neutron, they are present in what, atom. Okay, so here the neutral fundamental particle neutral means what, no charge. Okay, so the neutral fundamental particle present inside the nucleus, present inside the nucleus of an atom is known as neutrons. Is known as neutrons. Okay, third definition of it is what, neutron. So neutron is represented as, it is represented as n raised to power 0. So it is known as what, neutron. Understand? Okay, what is proton, what is electron, and what is the neutron. समजलं इथपर्यंत? ओके, लिहून घ्या लिहायचं असेल तर.